Once your child has learned and mastered all of these skills presented in the reading, writing, literacy, and math series for kindergarten and first grade, your child will be fully ready for second grade, and in some schools, maybe even third or higher, it depends, but these are the most basic and important skills. Now, there are other little things here and there that you might feel that your child should learn. Feel free to add them in. And as you progress into second, third, fourth, fifth grade math, if you continue to want to homeschool your child or tutor your child after school to provide extra learning, you can pick up some of the other strategies that go into the higher level math by getting a regular textbook. You can get an activities book fairly cheap. You can look online. You can get a used textbook. You could get a textbook from someone else who's using it, from a neighbor, and just copy ideas or strategies. What I found is if you're going to get an actual textbook for yourself, the older ones are better. And I say that simply because they are simpler. They don't have all the cartoons. They don't have all the craziness. Sometimes the directions are just plain easier for you to understand. And so try to find an older textbook if you can. If you can't, look online. Just basically all you need to know is what are the strategies that go on in the later grades. And you can pick those up with math and with reading, with grammar, and make your own worksheets. Continue to teach your child. Nobody can do it as good as you if you're dedicated, and nothing compares to one-on-one education.